Welcome back. Now, Goans and tourists can enjoy water rafting in the state. White Water Rafting has been inaugurated by the Chief Minister Parrikar at Ustem Valpoi. CM says that such water sports in the rural area will help boost the local economy.
Chief Minister Parrikar, MLA Vishwajit Rane and Nilesh Kabral along with other dignitaries visited the White Water River Rafting site at Ustem and flagged off the first formal rafting. This is a project of Goa Tourism Development Corporation Limited. The Chief Minister Parrikar, Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar, GTDC Chairman Nilesh Kabral, Valpoi MLA Vishwajit Rane, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava and others were also present. Parrikar urged locals to avail maximum benefits of the project and contribute in promoting eco-tourism.
लोकांक वाईल्डलायफांतल्यानूय उत्पन्न काडपाक येता लोकांक वाईल्डलायफानूय उत्पन्नाची साधनां आसा हें दाखोवपाची गरज आसा. बऱ्याचदा लोक कचरो जाल्ले आसता फॉरेस्टाचेर कारण फॉरेस्ट वालो फक्त पळयता आसतना त्या मनशा कडेन तो लाकडां चोरून व्हरता आनी ताका थंय केरोसीन दिना गव्हर्मेंट केरोसिनाक तो हाल केल्या हे फॉरेस्ट विसरता तो इतली वर्सां लाकडाचे कुडके व्हरून ते जळोवन आपले हें करता विसरता ताजेर बडी मारता त्यामुळे ताजा कॉमन लोकांचो फॉरेस्टाचो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो ह्या भागांनी हांवें पळयल्लो आसा. एक बरें उदाहरण आसा की जाग्यार कितें तरी पॉझिटीव करता तातूंतल्यान हळूहळू करून गांवांक आनी गांवकारांक कितें ना कितें तरी उत्पन्न जावंक शकता.
आनी सरकारान पावल बरी घेतलेली आसा आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक बी तेजो फायदो जातलो आनी जे निलेश काब्रालान जे सांगला ती गोष्ट आमच्या लोकांनी करूंक जाय. सगळ्या गोष्टी काय सरकार दिवं शकना पूण जे कन्सेप्ट त्यांनी तो सांगलेलो आसा तुमी जर बऱ्यापैकी तेजो उपयोग करून घेतलो म्हाका तरी दिसता की आमचे खुबशे भुरगे सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंटचे दृश्टीन त्यांचो भरपूर फायदो जातलो.
Around 20 people can be accommodated on a raft at a time. 5 rafts have been made available. At the moment, 2 trips are scheduled per day. First at 11 and the second at 2 in the afternoon. Our reporter from Valpoi, Uday Parab.
Shop owners from Sinelata Road and surrounding areas from Madgaon have demanded to intensify police patrolling in the market area. They want a thorough check over migrant workers on the backdrop of recent thefts.
Murgaon police held a meeting with hoteliers from Murgaon Taluka. Police have advised them to take all safety and security measures during the Saptah celebrations in Vasco. Annual Saptah of Lord Damba will begin from Tuesday 24th July and will culminate on 2nd August.
See, I had called all these hoteliers, owners and all, managers, to brief them regarding security. See, nowadays there are many people coming and without proper identification. So especially during this Saptah season, which is starting from 24th to 2nd of August, I told them to double check those identification and also of the other persons who are occupying the rooms.
Hoteliers have assured to cooperate with the police officials.
Police always supporting us and we are also supporting police every time. But during Saptah now we have to take care because a lot of anti-elements are coming and we should cooperate. See, it's not only the business, we should also take care of Vasco. We are not against Saptah, but Saptah has to be there and we should cooperate with the people and the police. Okay?
Meanwhile, shop owners from Sinelata Road and surrounding areas from Margaon have demanded to intensify police patrolling in the market area. They want a thorough check over the migrant workers on the backdrop of recent thefts.
3 काय 4 दुकानं फोडल्या. कालच विनय विर्जनकाराले एक दुकान फोडला. 3 लोक फोडले हांगा. कोण चोर खंयच्यान येता कितें करता कांयच कळना. आनी तुमी आतां पळयलां आसतलें हे सगळे रस्त्यांचेर हे पळय बेवारशी पळय हे लोक आसा. हे मायग्रंट जे कोण येता आनी बेबदडपण करता ते हांगसर रात दीस न्हिदलेले आसता. हेजे पासून सगळी जनतेक त्रास जातात. वयल्यान आमकां शॉपकिपरांक खूब त्रास जाता.
A reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Madkaikar, and from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Goa will soon become an engineering hub. Chief Minister Parrikar announced it at an inauguration of the new girls' hostel at Goa Engineering College. Renovated girls' hostel and a 33 kV power substation was also inaugurated on Saturday.
New girls' hostel, renovated girls' hostel, and 33 kV power substation was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar at the Goa Engineering College. Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastava, PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavadekar, PWD Chief Engineer J.S. Rego and others were present.
Let us make Goa an engineering hub. I'm also telling you one more secret, which the concept we discussed with Planning Commission Secretary, Education Chief Secretary knows. We have discussed with Planning Commission on the aspect of an educational hub. And the locations are very close by. This area probably has some attraction for education. Maybe because the temples and churches, everything is located in a very close vicinity. But we may have top professional colleges in coming to these localities, very close by, maybe about 5-10 kilometers from here, in next 3-4 years.
The foundation stone for the hostel was laid back in 2008 by the then Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Malaria cases in the state are under control. However, dengue seems raising its ugly head. Health Department statistics of past 2 years indicates a decline in malaria cases by almost 50% compared to year 2010. However, the spread of this vector-borne disease is more in North Goa than the South. Despite several measures taken by the Health Department to control spread of dengue, the count of patients seems rising again this year. Watch this report.
Have a look at the data. The malaria cases in 2012 are on a decline. The cases had seen a steep rise in 2010. However, the cases reported this year are almost 50% as compared to the first half of the last year. 2 cases of death were reported in December 2010 due to malaria infection. In 2011, the number has risen to 3. Total number of malaria cases registered in 2010 were 2,368, 2011, 1,187 and 188 cases till May 30th. Government and health authorities adopt various measures to control spreading of malaria. However, dengue cases are on rise. The count has already crossed 50% mark as compared to the last year. In case of dengue fever, patients are treated by health centers in the rural area, and in case of high fever, the patients are referred to GMC for further treatment. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.